Craving comfort food but tempted to order in? Hold on. This quick aloo tomato curry with rice is faster than delivery and twice as comforting. Take 3-4 medium potatoes and boil them. 1 whistle on high and 2 whistles on low. Let the pressure release and then peel and keep them aside. Now let's prep the masala. In a small bowl, mix half teaspoon haldi, half teaspoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon dhaniya powder, 1.5 teaspoon salt and a pinch of sugar. Add a little water and make a smooth slurry and keep it aside. Chop 2 medium tomatoes and while you prep, start cooking your rice so the whole meal finishes together. Alright, time to bring everything together and start cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. When it is hot, add a pinch of hing and half teaspoon jeera. Add in the slurry we prepared. If needed, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. Cook on low flame until you see the oil separating. Now add the chopped tomatoes and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until they soften and blend with the masala. Add the boiled potatoes, roughly chopped and a few slightly mashed. Pour in 3 cups of warm water and let everything simmer for good 2 minutes. Adjust the salt here. Finish with loads of fresh coriander and green chillies if you like that heat. And your quick cozy aloo tomato curry with rice is ready. Comforting and so satisfying without any ordering or takeout guilt. If you enjoyed this quick aloo tomato curry recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who needs easy homemade comfort food today. See you in the next recipe.